Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. In today's video, we are going to be making air fryer chicken drumsticks. They are seasoned with a simple blend of ingredients and cooked to absolute perfection. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. With this recipe, we only need 6 drumsticks. We're gonna go ahead and heat them with the seasoning. In goes garlic powder. It will enrich the taste of the chicken. We're gonna follow with smoked paprika. It will add smoky flavor and aroma to the chicken. Next, we're gonna go in with white pepper. It will add flavor and give you that peppery bite. Then we're gonna add chicken seasoning. I'm using Robertson chicken spice. If you don't know what that spice is, I'll leave the link down below where you can get it. Then we're gonna heat this chicken with oil. The only oil we are using in this recipe is a tiny bit, about 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Mix well with your clean hands and the chicken is ready to go into the air fryer. There is no need for marinating, guys. I love air fryer method, guys. It can blow your mind. You can still use a tiny bit of oil and still get the delicious crispy chicken. Now we're gonna cook it for 375 degrees for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, pull it out, flip the chicken and cook it again for 10 minutes. For smaller chicken legs, you have to cook it, it will be closer to 18 minutes. And for larger chicken legs, it will be close to 20 minutes. Or you can check with your meat thermometer. If it reaches the internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, then your chicken is done. Our chicken is done, guys. Now we're gonna transfer it to a plate and it's ready to be served. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Simple recipes that Mama Bui likes to make. There you have it, guys. Air fryer chicken legs. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.